Make your ex miss you like crazy. Breakups are hard and it can be difficult to move on. But if you want to make your ex miss you like crazy, there are a few things you can do. First, take some time to yourself and focus on yourself. Take the time to do the things you love and make sure you're taking care of yourself. Second, make sure you're not contacting your ex. This means no texting, calling, or even checking their social media. This will give them time to miss you and will help you move on. Third, make sure you're looking your best. Take the time to dress well, get a new haircut, and do the things that make you feel good. This will make you feel more confident and will make your ex take notice. Fourth, don't be afraid to show off a little bit. Post pictures of yourself having fun and doing the things you love. This will show your ex that you're doing just fine without them and will make them miss you even more. Fifth, don't be afraid to make new connections. Go out and meet new people, make new friends, and have new experiences. This will help you move on and will make your ex realize what they're missing out on. Finally, don't be afraid to let your ex know that you're doing just fine. If they reach out, be friendly but don't be too eager. Let them know that you're doing well and that you're happy without them. This will make them miss you even more.